Hello and welcome to a brand new video. Today, we're booking a flight on trip.com. Now, there's a bunch of ways that you can do that. You can do that on the website, which you can see here, which is trip.com. For some reason, it's giving me the Saudi Arabian website, but it's all right. We can go to wherever. I don't know. Why the heck not? Let's be, or you can just download the app, if you've got on the Google Store, if you're an Android user, or on the Apple Store, obviously, if you're an Apple user. So, let's go to flights. And of course, it wants to sign me in. I want to go from Cairo to Riyadh, which you can change that, by the way. You can go from Alexandria, for instance, to Al Riyadh. All airports you can specify, but there's only one airport in Alexandria, I think. So let's go back and make it from Cairo. Yep, all airports to Riyadh. All airports. No, not a flight and hotel, just a flight. So you go on here and you're like, nope, I don't want a hotel. I just want a flight. Let's wait until it loads. All right. So here you go. This is the price range that you can set based on the number of connections that you want to make on your way there. And you see here, I'm changing the price and it's changing the hotels as we speak. But I don't want to do any of that. I just want to do flights. So let me check that and get back to you. So here I am. And how I fixed this is that I went back to the home page. It was hotels and homes. It was flights. So I just went flights, let's say Cairo, and I changed the destination to New York. And here it just shows that it's just a flight that we're looking for. So there's multi-city, there's round trip, and there's one way. Let's say it's that. And economy, because I'm not that poor. I'm not that rich, sorry. And here you see the different options. You see nonstop. You can fine-tune all of that depending on exactly what you're looking for. There's the different flights, the different flight companies that you could use, the different airlines that are traveling from the specific date that you want to travel on. And depending on that specific date, everything gets changed. And then you scroll down. You select, let's say I want to select this one. And you choose whichever. All right. Yeah, I like this one. So you choose continue. And it takes you to this destination. And then you pay for it. And that's really it. It's pretty cut and dry, pretty simple. I actually love the UI. It's not all that confusing. And I like the fact that everything's on it. You can book flights and hotels at the same time. It's pretty hands-on. Whatever else you want me to see, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.